Hello folks, this is Engineer Ed bringing you another run on a line. And here we have three lines of passenger cars. Alright, we have the 844 Union Pacific, which is right there. And we have a Pennsylvania GP18, okay, also pulling passenger cars. And coming around are both the GP18 and 844. And what's coming around now over here is the Rio Grande, PA and PB. Okay, we're swinging around over here. As you can see, everything is running well. Let me pull this back a little. And we can see the Rio Grande coming through. And there it is. Okay. Now let me just swing over here. Sorry, guys. Here comes the Rio Grande. Also, if you look over here on the siding, although it's not clear, but that is the North Fork and Western over there. So, this GP18 is pulling the 4 cars and doing a fine job of it too. And there is the 844. And let's see, coming over here is the GP18. No problem. So as you can see, the trolley line is completed with what I wanted to do with it, and is the GP18. Okay, folks. I really think that's it. I'm trying to keep this down so it's not so long. So I wish everybody a great day and be safe and be prepared if something goes on that is out of our control. All right, folks. Oh, you can see the Saturn V. And also, in the background, there is a lighted building, a FedEx building. I should be adding more of those, at least 2 more lighted areas here. All right, folks. I forgot to turn on the trolley, of course. Figures. So that is enough, folks. You all have a great day, and we'll let the GP18 come around again, and then we'll stop it. Okay, folks. Well, you know what? We'll just let these go around. This one and the 44. And we'll stop it. You guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And for those who are subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. And if you're new, please like and subscribe us. Okay, folks, you all take care. Bye-bye.